The Upper Columbia Swallow Habitat Enhancement Project is using a multifaceted approach to halt and reverse significant population declines felt by at-risk bank and barn swallow species. Our main goals are to enhance breeding habitat for these swallows, complete effectiveness monitoring at all habitat enhancements, build increased awareness for swallow species, coordinate citizen scientists to inventory and monitor swallow nests, and establish and use the Modus wildlife tracking system in the region to assist with bank swallow recovery efforts. Barn swallows nest in cups that they create from mud. Old buildings are being replaced with structures not conducive to nesting, since swallows cannot attach their mud nest to smooth lumber, steel, or vinyl. Recently, we erected 5 artificial nesting structures for barn swallows where suitable breeding habitat was lacking or where current nests in old buildings are likely to soon come down. Over 60 artificial nest cups for barn swallows have been installed in the Columbia Valley, with several more to be put up in future years. These are used to entice breeding pairs of barn swallows to existing sites by making them more suitable for nesting. Bank swallows create holes and burrows in vertical banks for nesting, and we are also working on enhancement measures at bank swallow colonies, including vegetation removal that is needed for clear flight paths, and resloping pre-existing dirt piles, transforming them into breeding habitat for bank swallows. Also, through a collaborative effort with BC Parks, we help restore bank swallow colony habitat within Windermere Lake Provincial Park. Additional enhancement projects are in development for both bank and barn swallows. To date, the project has involved approximately 100 volunteers. Together, we located 50 important barn swallow breeding sites and nearly 100 bank swallow colonies. Our data has helped identify critical habitat for bank swallows, drafted in the 2021 proposed federal recovery strategy. We provide volunteer training sessions, landowner visits regarding potential swallow habitat enhancements, and we promote strategies to coexist with swallows. Through collaborations with the Ktunaxa Nation and Shuswap Band, traditional Indigenous perspectives on swallows is being used on interpretive signage placed at enhanced swallow habitats. We are also working with Environment and Climate Change Canada's Canadian Wildlife Service on a Modus wildlife tracking project that is identifying areas used by bank swallows prior to fall migration. This past season, in 2022, we tagged 50 bank swallows and intend to tag 50 more individuals in 2023. This information is needed to protect bank swallows by learning what areas are important to conserve, enhance, or restore outside of breeding habitat. Tagged individuals are also being tracked during fall migration, providing unprecedented information on migratory timing, routes, stopover locations, and wintering areas. This information is all key for forming international collaborations that are aimed to help recover bank swallow populations.